Hey Tom, this is the 2019 QX60 you were asking me about. This is Steve over at Jackie Cooper Infinity. Wanted to give you a quick video tour, looking all the way around. 3 rows of seating in the QX60. Give you a quick view of the second and third rows. Second row, of course, it's got its own climate control and USB charging port. And then right now, looking back towards the rear where the second or the third row seating would be, this one also has the all-weather mats. Coming in, driver's seat controls. You had specifically asked about emergency front braking. You'll see right here, you've got your emergency front braking, lane control, lane departure prevention, and then the blind spot monitoring. And then you'll see that I've got the driving aids. You can turn those on and off, the forward, the lane prevention, and the blind spot. And it also has backup collision intervention and emergency braking. Steering wheel controls, as well as your front main display. Gives you a backup camera, a round view monitoring, navigation, of course, maps, climate control and radio, and then down to your heated seats. It's got the sunroof. Love to have you give me a call, 918-806-8233. Again, that's Steve at 918-806-8233. Thanks a lot. Bye.